5 Best Type-C Cables. Here is the product number 5. Metal Type-C Adapter. With this adapter, you change one USB 3.0 to USB 3.1 Type-C cable. Aluminum shell and beautiful color. Brand new and high quality. Charging and sync data. OTG function. Data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits, also S3.1 standards. Mini portable, easy plug and play. Here is the product number 4. USB Type-C to Earphone Adapter. Brand name, Fuzz. Outer diameter, 3.5 mm. Model number, Nylon Type-C. Type, Type-C cables. Connector A, Type-C. Connector B, O. Shielding, Other. Type, Type-C cables, O cables. Application, phone. Packing, polybag. Here is the product number 3. USB Type-C audio charging cable. Brand name, Robotsky. Connector A, Type-C. Connector B, O, USB. Type, Type-C cables. Application, computer. Gender, male-female. Packing, polybag. Feature, none. Shielding, non-shielded. Outer diameter, Type-C cables. Here is the product number 2. Type-C micro USB adapter. Brand name, HC. Type, Type-C cables. Packing, plastic spool. Supports charging and up to 480 Mbps micro USB 2.0 and 5 Gbps USB 3.0 data transfer. Low profile, reversible design for hassle-free connections. USB-C connector interface on the bottom of the same. Do not have to distinguish between the pros and cons of the interface. Here is the product number 1. Robotsky USB Type-C male. Brand name, Robotsky. Name, music as the phone headset audio adapter cable. Features, this section of the cable can be music as the phone's audio signal from the Type-C interface into audio 3.5 mm female. Length, 15 cm. Plug, Type-C male. Female. Audio 3.5 mm female seat. Color, white. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.